Hello guys, I'm Afshana and welcome back to my channel Afsha Sparkle. In this video, I'm going to share with you a classic Indian bridal makeup tutorial. It is the perfect classic red dress with red lip makeup look. I hope you guys will like it. First, I'm going to moisturize my face using the Pond's Light Moisturizer. You should not skip this step at any cost. Moisturizer is a must. It will keep your skin hydrated under all these layers of makeup. To create a shield between the skin and the makeup, I'm going to apply a primer. For that, I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. It really helps in smoothing all the pores and textures on the skin. I'm applying it mainly on the center of my face where I have pores and textures. Here I'm applying the LA Girl Orange corrector on the areas where I have pigmentation. For foundation, I'm going to mix the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and PAC HD liquid foundation. I'm also adding the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in the shade Nude for a dewy finish on the skin. I like mixing two or more foundations together for my base. I think it gives me a different and satisfying result. For concealer, I'm going to take the LA Girl HD concealer in the shade Pure Beige and applying it on areas where I apply the orange corrector on my face. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light and applying it on the areas of my face where I want to highlight, like under eye area, chin and forehead. I'm also using the same concealer to prime my lids. Setting the areas where we applied the concealer using the banana shade from the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. I also set my entire face using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I took a very little quantity, otherwise it will be hard to get that dewy skin base which we are going for. I am taking this brown shade from the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave eyeshadow palette using the PAC 204 blending brush and applying it on my crease. Next, going in with this shade using the Pro Arte PE23 brush and diffusing the edges with it. Taking this maroon shade from the Makeup Revolution Chocolate Rose Gold palette and applying it on top of the brown shade that we applied first and blending it well. Taking that lighter brown shade again in a fluffy blending brush and going over the edges with it to make sure that everything is nicely blended. Taking the black shade from the palette and applying it on the outer V area using a small blending brush. You have to be really careful while using a black shade. Make sure you take a little amount at a time. Remember, building the color is easy but removing is really difficult. I'm concentrating the color only on the outer area. Next, taking this brown shade again in a flat blending brush and diffusing the black with it. Going over with the PAC 204 blending brush that we used earlier. Wetting the brush using the L'Oreal setting spray and dipping into this maroony kind of a shimmer shade and applying it only on the center of the lids. Next, taking this golden copper shade and applying it to the inner third of the eyes. Taking the maroon matte shade and applying it on the area where the black and shimmer shade meet to merge them together. Cleaning the brush on back of my hand which we used to apply the black and blending them very well. For eyeliner, I am taking this NYB eyeliner and first lining my eyes close to the lashes and gradually making both the eyes even and look big. Filling my eyebrows using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade dark grey. Just filling all the sparse areas and brushing it away. Using the brown pencil from Miss Claire to fill the front or inner area of the eyebrows. Here I am cleaning the edges of the eyebrows using a concealer. Setting my eyebrows using the LA Colors eyebrow setting tint in the shade Universal Taupe. I applied my lashes off camera. Here I am retouching all the shades because they got hidden behind those dramatic lashes. By the way, these are the PAC M73 lashes. I am gonna contour my face using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I went a little extra with the contour, blush and highlight, otherwise it would not be visible in the camera. We take a lot of pictures during our wedding day and we want our makeup to be seen in those pictures. I really like this background music. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Here I am adding the banana shade again to highlight those areas a little more. And also I am cleaning up the edges of the contour as well. For blush, I am going in with the Sugar Mini blush in the shade Salmon Superstar. Going over with a beauty blender to make sure there are no harsh lines. What better than this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter for your wedding? It is the one which will give you the blinding goddess highlighted look for your wedding. Applying it on my cheekbones, forehead, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow and a little bit onto my chin as well. Taglining my eyes using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Going in with the brown shade in a pencil brush and smudging the kajal on my lower lash line. Taking the maroon shade again and diffusing the edges with it. Coating my lashes using my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Highlighting my inner corners and brow bone area using the same Maybelline highlighter. I am removing the lipstick which I already had on my lips using a wet wipe. Lining my lips and filling them in using the Maybelline lip liner in the shade Brick Red. For lipstick, I am going in with the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Chilli Nude and applying it mainly on the center part of my lips. Setting everything in place using the L'Oreal Makeup Fixer. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I switched my lashes with the Bayful and foaming lashes. The back one was making my eyes look droopy. If you want to see an elegant, fresh and simple bridal makeup look, please do let me know in the comment section below and also like this video. I will love to do it for you guys. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button next to it so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And also share this video with your friends and family if you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.